Hi, I'm Andrew Morton, Vice President of Sales for DefensX. I work with our partners and distributors around the world to build a safe workplace for their organizations and their clients. I lead a global organization that's working very closely with Pax8 here in Australia, New Zealand, North America, and now Europe. Our low-touch plugin works on any browser. And what that essentially means is an automated solution that enables an MSP or an MSSP partner of ours to protect their clients from identity theft, data loss, and DNS attacks, while providing an overall view of security. What this means essentially is that we are a very simple to deploy plugin that works on any existing browser with very little lift and very low touch. In the modern workplace, the browser is an essential part of running a business. You simply cannot operate nowadays without browsers if you consider applications such as Intuit or SAP, Microsoft, any of those, and that browser now has become the attack vector. And what that resulted in, unfortunately, in the industry is that 90% of all attacks now are a result of credential theft. At a very basic level, we prevent credential theft because you are that guard at the gate. We essentially allow MSPs to retain margins because we're not now increasing overhead just because you're adding a new solution. The whole idea behind this is it has to be a set and forget. Your new software should not require new resources, and that's our design philosophy around this. We also reduce risk within your business. We shrink that attack surface greatly at its most vulnerable point, at the front door, which is the browser. Credential theft at a very base level is key. Data loss prevention is a much bigger deal, but at the same time, we have new ideas. Microsoft Copilot. AI now is a very hot topic and has become, unfortunately, a risk point for data modeling to wind up in the public domain. DefensX sits at the door, but with a simple switch of a toggle, we automatically now secure Microsoft Copilot, and now organizations' proprietary data does not wind up in there. Of the many vendors here at Pax8, we complement all of the cybersecurity tools. Because we're sitting on the kill chain at the very early levels of the kill chain, we very easily complement things such as the EDRs like SentinelOne and CrowdStrike, but also Microsoft security tools like Defender and ATP. A really good example of a real world situation is about a year ago or so, one of our customers, a pretty large bank in the Midwestern United States, experienced a phishing attack. DefensX kept the organization from putting their credentials in the wrong place, kept the credentials safe, and essentially saved that organization about $5 million in losses. This was going to be a major event. For more information, you can go to defensx.com, info@defensx.com, and of course the Pax8 Marketplace.